Okay, y'all, so this is the Sunday vlog, and I'm getting pizza in my dining hall, and Miley's over there, and we're getting food, and I have to clean, I have to wash my clothes. I wanted to go to the gym, but it's raining, but then it stopped raining, and then it started back. I don't know. So I'm going to just figure that out later, but I got my umbrella just in case, because I really want to use my umbrella, but I am getting pizza. Also, I did a video, but it did not turn out how I wanted it, which I need to stop doing that, but yeah. Sunday rewind vlog. I hope so.
What's needed chicken?
Ask him. We ended up going to the gym.
What is that noise? Oh, it's raining.
Miley, what? We're going to the gym. I forced somebody to come with me. She didn't want to.
Yeah.
But
I was told about injured.
no. Let's see how empty it is. I'm so excited.
What? Is she
Oh my, it's empty compared to other times. This is empty. I might haven't been back in a minute because it's been crowded, but it's empty in here.
I'm social anxiety.
Miley. Okay, guys. Oh, I'm going crazy. We're leaving the gym. Kiss me, kiss me. Is that the song? Kiss me.
What?
Kiss me, oh, baby, baby, hey.
I don't know that song.
Wait, it's like kiss me, kiss me. I need to wash, but I don't feel like it, but I'm going to. And I have to do my hair. I just cleaned my room a little bit, as y'all could see in the beginning part. It wasn't that dirty. I just need to straighten up and get my my, what's that called? Laundry ready. So I need to do some work too. I don't know if I should. I think I'm gonna wait to wash until I get back, because I need to see how much money I have, because I have to put money on my one card. So I think I'm gonna just probably wash up, and I'm not gonna wash my hair, so I might not wash up yet. I don't know. This is hard. I think I might do my work first and then wash up and then do my hair, because I don't know what time we're going, because I don't want my hair to be wet. So, but I do need to wash up because I just came from the shower. I mean, not the shower, from the gym. So that's a must. But yeah, I have to do my bed. And I have to finish making sure it's clean. Got this humidifier or whatever it's called on, because this room is stuffy and it stinks, because my hallway smells so bad. So Okay, y'all, so we eating lunch. I got my sandwich that we wanted earlier. They cut the bread too wrong, so let's hope this is good. So, oh, my bread. Oh my goodness.
Oh, we're vlogging.
Yes. Hey. We have our Trader Joe's, but it was so many people in there.
It was so busy.
Yes, there was so many people in there.
Okay. I'm so excited to try these.
Yes.
$35 on 5 things. On what?
I spent less than
on
you.
5 things.
Well, it's probably the water.
Yeah, the water probably did it.
Yeah, water.
Really?
What?
$4 for the water. Damn.
Well, it is spring water. That water, I do not like spring water.
Not to be.
I'm gonna, yeah. I like purified water. I'm gonna give y'all a haul when we get back because it's really crowded out here. I'm already struggling and this car is taking so long.
Do you want me to carry it and you hold my bag?
Okay, I got these grapes. Cotton candy grapes. I just cleaned them and I'm gonna freeze them. And I'm gonna do work. Ready up. Yeah. It always stinks.